So when you're trying to make video calls on Snapchat, sometimes, maybe it's just not working via the app, or you just wanted to have more kind of better widescreen experience, kind of like a Zoom. So yeah, you can also now do it through the web. So if you try to video call and then it's just files, then in the bottom left, you can just tap try web. If your call failed, and then you will be redirected to Snapchat web, and then you can just call from there. So step try web, try the new Snapchat for web to chat, call friends, use lenses and more. Just go to web.snapchat.com, and then you can also just share the link, copy the link or share it, and then you will just can use video calls in Snapchat on the web, similar as Google Meet or something like that. So, if you're just near your laptop, you can also chat with your friends via web. So that's you can do as well.